Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing your footage and choosing a project ratio that matches your final platform. Once the files are in VN, trim each clip to the sections you want shown side by side so timing is predictable. Make sure both clips share similar resolution and frame rate to avoid scaling artifacts. If necessary, create duplicates so you can reposition independently. This sets a clean foundation. Now you'll build the split layout using overlays and precise transforms. You place the first clip on the timeline and then add the second as an overlay layer. Once both are visible, tap Transform and adjust position X to push each clip to left or right. Use scale to match sizes. To avoid overlap, apply crop or mask to chop excess and reveal clean edges. If you want a visible split, add a thin rectangle overlay as a divider and center it between frames. Make sure motion stays within each half so subjects aren't lost. You finish by playing the full timeline to confirm audio sync and that both visuals read well together. Once done, apply color correction to match exposure and white balance so the split feels intentional. Small adjustments unify the look. Export a short test at your target codec and resolution to verify no black bars or jitter. If problems appear, make sure project settings match clip native resolution and frame rate. That single fix resolves most scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.